Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fine. Our lesson for today is all about solving problems involving direct, partitive, and inverse proportions in different contexts such as distance, rate, and time using appropriate strategies and tools. Our first problem. For every 40 kilometers, David's car consumes 4 liters of gasoline. If he drives 280 kilometers, how many liters of gasoline will his car use? This problem is a direct proportion because as the distance increases, the number of liters of gasoline also increases. Let's analyze and solve the problem. What is asked? In this problem, it is asking for the number of liters of gasoline. So, let's make a proportion. We read again the first statement. For every 40 kilometers, David's car consumes 4 liters of gasoline. So first is we're going to make a ratio. Kilometers to liters, and for the second ratio also, we start with kilometers to liters because this is a direct proportion. So, for every 40 kilometers, David's car consumes 4 liters of gasoline. If he drives 280 kilometers, how many liters of gasoline will his car use? So, we put here n as our variable to represent the answer. Then we're going to multiply the extremes. 40 times n is equal to 40n. Then we're going to multiply also the means. 4 times 280 is equal to 1,120. To get the value of n, we're going to divide 40 both sides of the equation to make the equation balance. So 40n divided by 40 is equal to n. 1,120 divided by 40 is equal to 28. Therefore, our answer is 28 liters of gasoline. We're going to check if our answer is correct or not. We're going to substitute the value of n into the proportion. 40 is to 4 is equal to 280 is to 28. Then we're going to multiply the extremes and the means. So, 40 times 28 is equal to 1,120 and 4 times 280 is equal to 1,120. It means that our answer is correct. Our second problem. Carl cuts a 36 feet rope into 2 pieces. The ratio of the shorter piece to the longer piece is 2:7. What is the length of the longer piece? This problem is an example of partitive proportion. Let's analyze and solve the problem. What is asked? In this problem, it is asking for the length of the longer piece. So, let's solve. First step, add the parts of the ratio. Our ratio is 2:7. So, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Step 2, divide 36 feet by the sum of the ratio, which is equal to 9. So, 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Third step, multiply each part of the ratio by 4. So, 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and this is the shorter piece. 7 times 4 is equal to 28, and this is the longer piece. Our third problem. 7 men can paint a house in 12 days. How many men will do the same job in 14 days? This problem is an example of inverse proportion As the number of days increases, the number of men decreases. Let's solve the problem. First is we're going to write the ratios. So, in writing the ratios of an inverse proportion, it looks like this. For the first statement, 7 men can paint a house in 12 days. So, we're going to write 7 here, and opposite to the other side is the number of days. How many men? So we don't know yet. We're going to use a variable. We'll do the same job in 14 days. Then we're going to write also in an opposite side. So this is the way how we're going to write the given in an inverse proportion. So 7 over n is equal to 14 over 12. Then we're going to cross multiply. 7 times 12 is equal to 84, and n times 14 is equal to 14n. Then we're going to find the value of n by dividing both sides of the equation by 14 to make the equation balance. So 14n divided by 14 is equal to n, and 84 divided by 14 is equal to 6. Therefore, there are 6 men who will do the same job in 14 days. If less people will do the same job, more time is needed to do it. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.